So here we're going to learn a Google Drive PowerPoint. You simply go here to New, and it's Slides is the Google name for PowerPoint, and you click on it, and you name it. And here's your first slide, and you can see you have derivations over here. On the right side, you have lots of different things you can upload, and even at the very bottom, you could add, it says import theme outside the confines of this video. And so you could import, you could find one on the internet that you liked. So maybe here's one I want to use. And then I simply can go here and I can say new slide, and new slide will be added. Or maybe I want to duplicate slide, maybe I want to change the background, so I can do an image, I could do a color, maybe I want to do brown, and then done. And so I can do it for that one. Now if I go back here, you can see I have title, and I can put the title in. And I could, of course, do other things, such as if I go here to more, and maybe I want to center, and then I can center, and then I can start writing things here. Maybe I want to have bullet points. Maybe I want to tab again. I don't want to go that far. So, and then I want to enter, and I go back to the original one. And maybe I want to add an image, but I want to do it over here. So first I go to Insert, and I'm looking for text box, which is right here. And then I have this little plus thing, and then I just drag it, and I can insert. And so maybe I want to insert an image. So let's go grab an image. So then I go to Images, and I get Amideast. I right-click, I copy the image, but I could also copy the image address. So if we did that, let's see if that works. I go to Insert, Image, and by URL, and I control, and it says it's not valid. Let's just go to Copy Image, and cancel, and control. I can just paste it in, and I can move it around, and I can just go here and I can size it. Maybe on the next one I want to insert a video, but I don't have all these screens here, so I just click on that outline and I delete. Click on the next outline, delete, and I just want to do insert video. So I need a video of something. Here's a video that I just did. So let's open a new tab, and let's get the link and Control C it, Control copy it. Let's go back here. I want to insert video. Get by URL. It's going to ask me the URL, and now pops up, and I push select. And it's not going to take the whole screen up, so I want to center it. And I might want to make it bigger by controlling the ends. Maybe I want to link something because I want to show them something. So, and I go to Amideast, and I Control C it. I go back to my PowerPoint, and I drag the cursor over it, and I look for this insert link, but I could have gone to insert and then found a link as well right down here, and then apply. And then let's look at the present it. from beginning. And of course we had nothing on the first slide. Then we go to the second one, and notice if I click here, I could actually go to the link, or right click so that I can open a new tab or new window. And I go to the next one, and I can literally just start playing YouTube.
Now we're going to use and learn Google Forms.
And so that's how I make PowerPoint. And you can then use that to make your own videos if you need to do so. Hope this was helpful.